If you've noticed that some content on X, formerly Twitter, is restricted due to age, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's permanent or tied to their account creation date. The surprising truth is that you can adjust your settings to access age-restricted content, but there are some rules to follow. Here's how to turn off age restriction on X. First, log into your account and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, navigate to Privacy and Safety and look for the Content You See section. Here, you'll find an option called Display Media that may contain sensitive content or similar. Enable this setting. Next, check your date of birth on your profile. X uses this information to enforce age restrictions. Make sure your birth date is accurate and shows you're over 18. Most people get this wrong by assuming changing the setting alone is enough. Your profile age must also match. After adjusting these settings, refresh your feed and explore tweets with media that were previously hidden. You should now be able to see a wider range of content, including age-restricted posts. A few caveats. X still restricts some content based on regional laws, so you may not access everything. Also, always be mindful of the content you view, as age-restricted material can be explicit. In conclusion, turning off age restriction on X is simple once you update both your content settings and your profile age. This gives you a fuller experience of the platform while staying compliant with their policies. If this guide helped you access age-restricted content on X safely, subscribe for more step-by-step tips to master the platform.